Welcome friends. Today, we're taking an exclusive look at Dongfang Nano's second breakthrough, the all-new Nano 06. This isn't just an evolution, it's a revolution in design and technology. At first glance, the Nano 06 immediately captures your attention. Unlike the previous model, which featured a more rounded, fluid appearance, the new Nano 06 adopts a bold, angular design that emphasizes strong, square lines. The entire body has been reimagined to project confidence and power. Every element of the exterior has been meticulously crafted. Look at the sharp edges and the defined contours that give the car a modern, almost futuristic look. The redesigned light group is particularly striking. The sharp, precise lines not only enhance the visual appeal, but also create a sense of dynamic movement even when the car is parked. Notice the innovative semi-hidden door handles, an iconic feature borrowed from Shanghai's design language. These handles aren't simply decorative, they're part of a unique bonding mechanism that allows the doors to bounce open effortlessly when activated. It's a clever blend of form and function that truly sets the Nano 06 apart. Another distinctive detail is the dragon drum motif on the lower part of the vehicle. This design adds a touch of brightness and personality, giving the car an almost mythical aura. Although the car's body isn't extremely large, measuring just 306mm in length, its design makes it look incredibly powerful. The design philosophy behind the Nano 06 is called Cheek Rubik's Cube. It's all about creating a vehicle with versatility in shape and space, an ever-changing form that adapts to every angle. This becomes especially evident when you view the rear of the car. While it may not immediately scream expansive, the sophisticated design of the rear lights and tailgate combine perfectly to deliver a strong, cohesive look. Functionality is never sacrificed for style. When the floor door is closed, the short tailgate ensures that even in small parking spaces, like crowded basements, the upper door can operate flawlessly. And once you open the floor door, you're greeted by a secondary ground door that can bear a load of up to 150 kilograms. This thoughtful feature makes it practical for everyday use, whether you're heading out for a day of fishing or a weekend camping trip. Step inside, and the Nano 06 unveils an interior that contrasts beautifully with its bold exterior. Instead of harsh, angular lines, the cabin is a haven of warmth and comfort. The color palette is inviting, gentle hues interwoven to create an ambience that's both modern and soothing. Rounded contours dominate, making the space incredibly welcoming. Over 60% of the interior surfaces are finished with soft-touch materials. This means everything you come into contact with feels premium, from the steering wheel to the dashboard panels. The perfectly symmetrical layout isn't just visually stunning, it also makes the driving experience intuitive. Controls, storage compartments, and even the placement of the armrest have been designed to ensure that every interaction with the Nano 06 is effortless. The seating is another highlight. Ergonomically designed and upholstered in premium materials, the seats offer outstanding comfort even on long journeys. Every curve of the seat is crafted with precision, ensuring that every passenger enjoys a perfectly balanced ride. The symmetrical interior layout further simplifies the driving experience, creating a space where advanced technology and luxury coalesce seamlessly. Technologically, the Nano 06 is a marvel. It integrates a state-of-the-art sensor system, offering high-speed navigation, memory-based guidance, and real-time data that keeps you informed throughout your journey. The intuitive operating system guides you effortlessly, making every ride not just a journey, but an experience in smart connectivity. One of the most innovative features is the bonding mechanism behind the doors. This system, designed to allow the doors to bounce open with a gentle yet precise motion, showcases Dongfang Nano's ingenuity. It's a feature that you typically only see in high-end luxury vehicles. And here it is, integrated flawlessly into a car that's set to take the market by storm. And there's more. The Nano 06 is built as a new energy vehicle that doesn't just excel in performance and design, it also redefines practicality in an electric age. With rapid 3C charging technology, this car can go from 30% to 80% battery charge in just 18 minutes. That's the kind of efficiency that ensures you're always ready for the road without wasting precious time at the charging station. From its aggressive, square-based exterior to a luxuriously comfortable and technologically advanced interior, every inch of the Nano 06 has been engineered to impress and perform. It challenges the conventional boundaries of design, creating a new benchmark for what a modern new energy vehicle should be. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.